What makes a person truly dangerous in today's world? Is it brute strength, loud opinions, a powerful position? Or is it something far more subtle and far more rare? We live in an age of noise. Everyone is talking, performing, competing for attention. But in that chaos, one person stands out. The one who is calm. Not because they're weak, but because they've mastered the only battlefield that matters, the one within. Have you ever been ignored, underestimated, talked over in rooms where you had something to say? In a society that rewards outrage and speed, true power is found in the exact opposite, in restraint, in quiet, in stillness. The Stoics understood this over 2,000 years ago. They knew that strength isn't about domination, it's about self-control, that the most dangerous person in the room is not the loudest, but the one who has nothing to prove. As Epictetus wrote, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Today, we uncover 4 Stoic behaviors that forge a quiet, commanding presence, one that turns heads without needing to raise a voice. These traits disarm, they unsettle, and they change how the world responds to you. Number 1, emotional control is the foundation of power. In today's hyper-reactive world, people are slaves to their emotions. One comment can ruin their day. One disagreement can ignite rage. But not the Stoic. They don't react. They respond. Deliberately, calmly, from principle, not impulse. When someone remains calm in chaos, they don't just stay in control. They become the control. Emotional control is intimidating because it's rare. It signals something deeper inner strength, clarity, and self-mastery. The person who doesn't flinch, who doesn't lash out, who remains centered, commands the entire room. Number 2, indifference to opinions builds unshakable presence. In a world addicted to validation, everyone's performing. They curate, they compare, they conform. But the Stoic doesn't bend to the crowd. They stay rooted in who they are. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "We all love ourselves more than other people, but care more about their opinion than our own." This is the modern disease, living for likes while feeling empty inside. Indifference to opinions isn't arrogance, it's liberation. It's the quiet confidence that you don't need permission to exist. When you no longer fear judgment, you become unpredictable. And that unpredictability, fueled by inner certainty, makes people cautious. If you're drawn to this kind of grounded strength, subscribe to the Stoic Code and join us. We don't just read Stoicism, we live it together. Number 3, mastery over desires creates fearless discipline. Today's world runs on temptation. Buy more, consume more, scroll more, be more. But the Stoic sees the trap. Seneca wrote, "The greatest wealth is a poverty of desires." When you're no longer chasing pleasure or recognition, you become powerful because nothing owns you. You can't be bought. You can't be baited. You can't be broken by things that don't matter. This is terrifying to those who depend on your weakness, and liberating to those who want to live on their own terms. Mastery over desire doesn't mean rejecting life. It means choosing what truly matters and letting everything else pass by like noise. Number 4, stillness in chaos. Commands. Respect. The modern world moves fast. It pressures you to react before you think, to speak before you understand. Stillness is rebellion. When others panic, the Stoic pauses. When others fight, the Stoic listens. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Stillness isn't weakness. It's restraint. It's awareness. And in that stillness, you become unreadable. People can't control what they don't understand. And when they can't predict you, they respect you. Stillness doesn't mean doing nothing. It means doing only what matters, with full presence and intention. And that presence, the one that doesn't flinch, perform, or chase, is what people call dangerous. Because it can't be manipulated. It can't be provoked. It simply is. In a world screaming for attention, the one who stays silent often holds the most power. These four behaviors, emotional control, indifference to opinion, mastery over desire, and stillness in chaos, aren't traits you're born with. They're forged through practice, reflection, and discipline. They create a presence that can't be ignored, a strength that doesn't need to be loud. If this message resonates with you, subscribe to the Stoic Code. Walk with us. We're building a community grounded in ancient wisdom and modern clarity. Let us know in the comments which of these traits you're working on. Your insight might be the spark that helps someone else find theirs. And if this video could help a friend, share it with them now. As Seneca said, "He who is brave is free." Thank you for watching and subscribing to the Stoic Code. Be calm, be grounded, and walk with strength.